upstairs, like, okay, I'm gonna go to sleep now, because she's going upstairs.
And you heard who go upstairs?
Kaylee and the dog Murphy.
And upstairs to the very top?
Yeah, that's where her room is.
Okay.
And then all of a sudden...
What's wrong? You don't understand. I'm not doing this. I don't want anything to do with this. It's a little late for that, don't you think? Courtney, please. I want to go to the police. Tell them it was an accident. I mean, you guys, we didn't mean to kill her. Police will come when her parents find the body. They'll see that she was raped. You can't just say that she's raped because she's lying on the bed with her legs spread. I can't believe this. I am looking after us. I am saving your ass and your shit on you. Go to hell, Courtney.
Around me are familiar faces, worn out places, worn out faces, bright and early for the daily races, going nowhere, going nowhere. Their tears are filling up their glasses, no expression, no expression. Hide my head, I wanna drown my sorrow. No tomorrow, no tomorrow. And I find it kind of funny, I find it kind of sad. The dreams in which I'm dying are the best I've ever had. Find it hard to tell you, find it hard to take when people run
You've been living in a dream world, living in a dream world.
children waiting for the day they feel good. Happy birthday, happy birthday. And I feel the way that every child should sit and listen, sit and listen. Went to school and I was very nervous. No one knew me, no one knew me. Hello teacher, tell me what's my lesson. Look right through me, look right through me. And I find it kind of funny, I find it kind of sad. The dreams in which I'm dying are the best I've ever had. I find it hard to tell you, I find it hard to take. People run in circles, it's a very, very mad world. Mad
this area. They'll run off on me. None of you guys are 21. It's one thing to drink